Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going over pretty much one of my first market outlooks on my thoughts on the week. So this is going to be interesting, so bear with me guys. We are looking at NQ. So as you can see, we've been from November 26th, we've been climbing up. Price action has been very bullish, giving us multiple opportunities to enter into long positions. Price came back, wicked into this area here, would have been a reversal around 6 a.m. Price continued to climb. Here as well. Came down, price tapped into this value gap. Here and there. But now we are here, and there's basically two scenarios. At this point in time, I don't really think we will be climbing up higher, in my personal opinion. So when I see this price action here, I do think of something like this, a major drop and then a slow climb up. We see that happen many times, where we have major drops and then, well, this is not as too accurate, but we do see a major drop and then we see a climb back up, and the whole time we are trying to find shorts here. So that's something I learned this year, not to assume we're going to be getting the opportunity to short, trying to catch a top, because you will be losing all of this trying to catch the top to go short. Happens a lot. But so we see a drop and then we start to see a climb up, etc., etc. So market structure shift off the breaker here, telling us that in alignment with this major move here, that we are now on our second leg of sell opportunities to short. So what I would like to see is price come into maybe this area here. Here's equilibrium. There's no breaker in this case, but if we measure out this high here, and we draw pretty much the OTE from this range here, we see that this equilibrium is right around the 50% area. So if we do get some type of move up into this area, that would be ideal. And then see if we can get our kind of move to the downside. Kind of what I would like to see, if possible. Excuse me. And that's taking in consideration the premium and discount are coming into this area to look for shorts As you can also see here, I have ideas of draws and liquidity I would like to see get taken, along with the rest of this imbalance here that I would like to be taken as well if we do continue to the downside. But if I do think that we're coming to the downside, I want to see manipulation up to take some buy stops on the higher time frame, reaching higher pools of liquidity before we we start heading to the downside. So this is let's drop down to I believe that is the 4 hour, so let's drop down to the 1 hour. This is when it starts to get a little messy. So let's turn off our indicators. And what do we see? We see this area here. It didn't close above. We have those two draws of liquidity to the downside. Like I said again, we do have higher time frame market structure shift. We're looking for these areas of reaction off of above the 50%. So if we go here and we turn on this midline, it's a little over. So a nice rejection off of here. And then you also want to take in consideration the time of day. I don't see any other interesting areas to point out, except, like I said, the imbalance here. And whatever's not filled will drop up to there. So we're looking at something like that. So like I said, like the trade ideas, areas that we would want to go short there. We may even continue to climb up. Like I said, I'm expecting price to even get this high before we start looking for shorts. So if you're kind of seeing price start to uptrend, I wouldn't be surprised. Or we all have to see when price starts delivering itself that whether or not we will continue up. But after a day like this, instant rebalancing is always something that we would like to see. Alright, going down to the M15, where we can start. We can turn our indicators back on, and we will get rid of all of the drawings. This is when we go into the specific day and the delivery have, like I said, we may do some type of continuation up into this area where we may start to get a move down, targeting this low. I do have some notes down here. I should probably put towards the middle. On a daily, week high, week high, week high, right? Buy side liquidity, that's correct. Week high on the 4 hour, that's also correct. One hour. One hour is week low. So on the 1 hour here, something to note that the 1 hour is in alignment with the draw on liquidity that I had marked out, which I deleted. So here, draw on liquidity there, there, and there. We also will be seeing a reaction off of this bullish breaker sometime in the near future. So that would be pretty nice to see. Maybe a nice short opportunity going into the new day. Alright, so M15, I believe we were on. I'm not going to do too many personal drawings anymore because I have to delete them. But I do want to keep these drawn liquidities on. What else do I see? That's pretty much it. M5. Everything else is just price analysis. I mean, analyzing past price and what happened. Major sell-off was a very good day. Shorted that on NQ and then took some more shorts on M&Q. As you can see here, classic breaker setup for us. Also sweeping London high, coming in, taking London low. Yeah, beautiful day, beautiful day. M3, many opportunities to short. You can see 3 opportunities there to short as well. I'm going to take off these midpoints, but nice area to short again here. Came in, came all the way down. Not the best area at this point. Shorting these would be chasing price. And A nice little quick rebalance into that area there, no close. And then we start to climb. We start to climb back up, giving us another breaker. So if the day continued, we would probably see price climb up, and that's what basically I'm anticipating. Sometimes we do get like gap down, and then the algorithm starts to pick back up. So like I said, that's what I'm anticipating. Want to see if we will reach these draw liquidities down here. This is 3. We'll go down to the 2-minute. I told myself 2025 I'm not going to be playing around on the 1-minute chart anymore, for the sake of being more consistent. There's plenty of opportunities on the 2-minute if that's the lowest I want to go in the future. So what do we do here? Market structure shift. Then we start to get our fair value gaps. These are just good opportunities to scale in. Scale in there. This is just consolidation. If you didn't make your money here, don't even touch the chart at this point, you know. After 10:30 into lunch, just wait till 1:30. Yeah, well, it's 12:30 to 1:30, 1:30, you know. But it's pretty much market review / forecast for next week. Like, subscribe if you guys are interested. Thank you again for the 16 subscribers. You guys are amazing. Make sure you like this, drop a comment. In the future, we'll be giving away free months of the indicator that we feature here in every video, so you guys can also get your shot at these beautiful opportunities here and post your results. I do have a Discord if you guys want to join. It's up to you. It's currently empty, so there's literally no one in there, so don't let that discourage you. You know, the loyal ones are gonna be the first to take advantage of all the free stuff going on.